Welcome to Arts and Crafty Central's second year of 12 Days of Craftsmas. I will be releasing 12 different craft videos leading up to Christmas. These crafts are either perfect for holiday gifts or make great holiday decorations. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of these 12 wintertime crafts. Today I'm going to be decorating this old polar bear squishy. The squishy had some cracks along the neck that I glued back together with fabric glue. I didn't really like this bear thing on the hat, so I cut it off and tried to smooth out the hat as best as possible. To cover the raw foam, I put on a thick layer of fabric paint. Finishing off the prep work, I painted the whole thing a white base coat. Moving on to the fun part, I painted the hat this teal color. Next, I painted the bear's face white. For the little coat, I added some white to the hat color to make this mint-colored paint. I then used the same color to paint a trim on the hat. Beginning on the face, I painted the muzzle a light gray. I liked the original eye shape, so I just went over the pre-existing eyes with black paint. I painted the ears white, just like the rest of the fur. I painted the scarf a nice lavender shade that went well with the teal. Once the eyes had dried, I went back in with white paint to make a couple of highlights. Next, I added a cute little nose on the muzzle. I also painted some pink spots inside the ears. On the hat, I painted a pale blue snowflake using a really thin brush. I added a couple of dots around the big snowflake to make it look like some little bits of snow. Here's how the finished squishy turned out. Make sure to like and subscribe for the next day of Craftsmas.